I don't know if you've heard of one of the biggest and best rap battles in history that happened in 1993 between two technological organizations. Yeah, that's right. You heard it right. Acme Electronics and Omega Electronics had beef over a contract that they were competing in with a manufacturer. Both of the companies were asked to achieve the same goal of building 100 copier machine prototypes for a manufacturer, but they had different strategies of going about it. The best company will win the contract. Employees at Acme had narrowly defined roles, and managers had a very vertical relationships with subordinates. Acme prioritized effectiveness over efficiency. They had a cost leadership mentality. They relied on their bureaucratic control to capitalize on crisis management. On the other hand, Omega had a horizontal, decentralized structure that relied on complex job descriptions and ambiguous understandings to handle crisis. They had high communication skills and employees worked hard to achieve goals. And they had a family-like clan structure. However, Acme and Omega entered into a feud, and they took it to the rap game to handle it. As we'll see in this first rap, Acme goes after Omega, and Acme claims that Omega is too ambiguous to succeed. And then right after that, you'll see Omega firing back. I hope you enjoy.
Yeah, ayo, this is Acme on the beat. It's time, Omega. Let's go, Acme, let's get it. Straight out the centralized dungeons of the Acme organization. The vertical strut drops deep, as does my copier machine. I am never narrow, cause too narrow is the mother of organizational peril. Beyond the walls of Acme, life is defined. I think of beating Omega and winning the contract when I'm in an Acme state of mind. Hope the crisis management was resolved with some alignment. My organizational decline won't make me resign under frightening circumstances. Run up to the limits of a hierarchical structure, but you realize that cost leadership strategy was the ultimate winning function in an Acme state of mind. What more could you ask for? The mechanistic technology you complain about, too centralized and too much of a hierarchical structure. I gotta love it though, somebody still speaks for the organizational psychology. I'm rapping to the manufacturers, and I'm gonna move your net profits high into the atmosphere. Hierarchical, bureaucratic, vertical, like a clerk. Boy, I tell you, I thought you were a joke with your ambiguous skirt. I can't tell the criticism of too centralized and too much of a hierarchical structure. Can't take the complexities of a horizontal function. I guess I'm too tight and narrowly defined. Boy, I'm rapping to Omega with the Acme state of mind. Beating you in this contract because we are more effective, yeah, in an Acme state of mind. When I was young, I was in early stages of organizations. I was kicked out because of a source of confrontation. I never thought I'd see the profits I made, and it's so alive that could take the goals and strategies that I have saved. We ended up winning the contract because of our cost leadership strategy. Even though people criticized our mechanistic feminine, think of beating Omega and winning the contract. Yeah, we beat Omega and we won the contract. Ayo, Omega here, coming back at Acme. Straight out of the collaborative company of Omega, the employees work at a horizontal structure. I never mess with Acme, cause to mess with Acme is the mother of a bureaucratic infrastructure. Beyond the walls of the electronics, life is defined. I think of organically managing a crisis in a Omega state of mind. Hope the copiers get ready for our efficient nature. Relationships are everything, we have a clan culture. Look at our employees' high wages, and you'll understand our decentralized phases. I'm in an Omega state of mind. What more could you ask for? We have the reciprocal way of business. You complain that we're too organic or informal. I gotta love it though, somebody still speaks against the progressive manual. I'm rapping to Acme, and I'm sure you are too structured, causing a lack of population ecology. Decentralized, complex, unstable, we are a snake. But boy, I tell you, I thought you were a superficial fake. We are too organic and informal, but we use our efficiency to win the contract but still lost. I guess we still got no sufficiency. I'm rapping to the manufacturer of the copier, and I'm saying that you are externally non-proper. Mega state of mind.
Was that Travis Scott on the beat? I'm not sure. But anyways, Acme was the company that was able to win the contract because of their focus on cost leadership strategy. Omega did prioritize quality, but they weren't able to fulfill what the manufacturer who gave out the contract really wanted, which they wanted a big reduction on price, in which Acme was able to fulfill because of their hierarchical structure. By reading the case study, you would think that Omega would have been the one that would have ended up winning because they were so much more efficient. However, as stated in the title, this is a paradox because something contradicts. Even though Omega was more efficient, Acme ended up winning. But the solution to the paradox is that sometimes cost leadership strategy is very effective in a hierarchical vertical structure. Thank you very much. Who do you think won the rap battle?